Hello everyone, we'll continue. How many are males or females? Which age group they belong to? How sorry, educated they are, and what type of occupation they are employed? In what their income levels and health condition are? An interesting way of studying the population composition of a country is by looking at the population pyramid, also called an age-X pyramid. A population pyramid shows the total population divided into various age groups. Example: 5 to 9 years, 10 to 14 years. The percentage of the total population subdivided into males and females in each of those groups. What is the triangular looking diagram? This is a population pyramid. Can I play a detective and investigate the population of a country? Sure, let's study three countries. What's that? It shows the percent number of males and females in a country along with their ages group. Look at the picture, figure 6.6 population pyramid. You can see the age group here and percent, male and female. It is a pyramid. The shape of the population pyramid tells the story of the people living in that particular country. The number of children below 15 years are shown at the bottom and reflect the level of births. The size of the top shows the number of the aged people above 65 years and reflect the number of deaths. The population pyramid also tells us how many dependents there are in a country. There are two groups of dependents: young dependents aged below 15 years and elderly dependents aged over 65 years. Those of the working age are the economically active. The population pyramid of a country in which birth and death rate both are high is broad at the base and rapidly narrows toward the top. This is because although many children are born, a large percentage of them die in their infancy. Relatively few becomes adults and there are very few old people. This situation is typified by the pyramid shown for Kenya, figure 6.7. Figure 6.8 population pyramid in India. In countries where death rates, especially among the very young, are decreasing, the pyramid is both the younger age group because more infants survive to adulthood. This can be seen in the pyramid for India, figure 6.8. Such population contain a relatively large number of young people, and which means a strong and expanding uh, labor force. In countries like Japan, low birth rate make the pyramid narrow at the base. Figure 6.9. Decreased death rates allow numbers of people to reach old age. Skilled, spirited, and hopeful young people endowed with a positive outlook are the future of any nation. We in India are fortunate to have such a resource. They must be educated and proved skill and opportunity to become able and productive. Figure 6.9 population pyramid of Japan. Male females. Exercise. Answer the following questions. Why are people considered a resource? What are the causes for the uneven distribution of population in the world? The world population has grown very rapidly. Why? Discuss the role of any two factors influencing population change. What is meant by population composition? What are population pyramids? Do they help in understanding about the population of a country? Take the correct answer. Which which does the term population distribution refers to? How population is a specific area change over time? Which are three main factors that cause population change? Third, in 1999, the world population reached. Fourth, what is population pyramid? Complete the sentence below using some of the following words. Activity. Thank you.